impressive would this be if you were to serve this at one of your dinner parties? It's called Bánh, also known as water fern cakes. It originated in Hue, which is in central Vietnam, and I have to say, in my opinion, Hue has the best food in all of Vietnam. It's a very simple batter to make. It consists of rice flour, tapioca starch, kosher salt, water, and coconut milk. You can let your batter rest overnight in the fridge or a few hours or even just an hour. Fry your shallots, and you'll know when your shallots are done is when it starts turning a nice light brown color. You don't want to get it too dark brown, only because it continues to cook after you remove it from the oil. Turn off the heat and then add your chopped green onions to create a green onion oil. When you first remove the fried shallots from the oil, it's gonna feel soft, but then once it starts drying up, it becomes really nice and crunchy. Chop up the white part of the leek. If you haven't used leek before, it's similar to onion, but has a much softer and delicate flavor. Peel and shred your carrots, then chop them up. I like to use dried wood ear mushrooms, so I'll soak them in warm to hot water. Once it absorbs all the water, squeeze all the water out and then chop them up. Traditionally with Bánh, people would use dried shrimp. However, I'm not a big fan of using dried shrimp as my topping, so instead I like to use fresh shrimp. And I find that shrimp with the head on has a lot more flavor. However, you can use regular shrimp as that's not going to make that much of a difference. Cook your shrimp with oil. You'll know when it's done when both sides turn orange. Once it's done cooking, then let it cool for just a bit, and then you can start peeling them. Find that when I peel shrimp, when it's completely cooled off, it's harder to remove the shell. And to create a shrimp floss, you just put this in an electric mixer and then chop them up. It's interesting because when you go to different parts of Vietnam, they serve the bánh slightly differently. In the south, you'll find it with mung beans. I'm not a big fan of mung beans, hence why I'm not using it in my recipe. But then when you go into central Vietnam, like in Hoi An, they serve them a little bit more wet with a shrimp sauce. So we're gonna fry up all of our toppings, and I fry the leeks first, and then I'll add the rest of the toppings. Give it a stir for several minutes until all of the flavors are combined. Load up on ramekins and brush the ramekins with the oil from the green onion oil. And then steam them for several minutes in a steamer, and then add your rice flour mix to the ramekins. I find that using a squeeze bottle is best to transfer the rice flour batter into the ramekin. Then add your shrimp and vegetable mix along with your green onion oil, and then top it with fried shallots. Pour fish dipping sauce in this and eat it like an oyster shooter. Enjoy!